Yeah, as I told, okay, I'll be providing Informatica Power Center training, Informatica Power Center 10.2 training over here. Okay, so yeah, so I hope you have seen the course material, that means course curriculum. Okay, so I'm opening that here. Okay, the syllabus, what I am covering the topics over here. So if any questions, please ask me. Okay, so I'm ready to help you. Okay, so it's pure Informatica Power Center 10.2 training. So like in this training, you will be able to learn Informatica Power Center 10.2 hands-on. It's not only just learning the tool, but you will get hands-on. Okay, and you will be training from what I can say is from basics to advanced concepts. Okay, so this is the main concept of this training. Okay, now coming to the how different it is than other trainings is, in the other trainings they will just tell about they will teach about how the tool work, how the transformations work, and they will not teach you, or they will not make you hands on the real time experience. So what I will do is here, okay, I'll be uh, daily there will be one real time mapping, or any first we'll cover the basics. After few 5 to 10 hours of the basics, okay, then we'll get into the real time concepts. Okay, daily I'll explain the real time concepts of the mappings. Okay, and I'll give the practice sessions to you. Okay, before that I'll make you to install Informatica 10.2 in your systems. Okay, that means, as I mentioned here, okay, I'll help you to install Oracle database 11G Express Edition for the database. And also I will help you to install Informatica 10.2 server and client components, okay, in your laptop. Okay, this is the main thing. This is the first step of our training. Okay, once you successfully install all these two components, okay, then we'll get into the basics. After 5 to 10 hours of basics of Informatica, like how Informatica will work, how the jobs will run, how the tools will work, okay, then we'll be having day to day real time, daily at least one mapping I'll explain in real time. Okay, and I will ask you to practice at home. Okay, not only I'll give some scenarios and I'll make you to practice at home. Then after that I'll explain the real time project. Okay, then I'll explain how the documents. Okay, if you see here, I have all the documents, like code review documents, okay, mapping documents. I have a few projects with me. Okay, then I have run books with me. I have few shell scripts. Okay, I have few workflows already which I have worked in my real time, in my experience. Sorry, actually, I forgot to introduce myself. Actually, this is Natraj, okay, from Andhra Pradesh. Currently I am in Bangalore now. I settled in Bangalore. So I have total 10 years of industrial experience. I worked in almost 4 to 5 companies till now. Okay, so I'm having a very good. I from my career start to end, I am working on Informatica Power Center. I have worked on databases like Teradata, DB2, MongoDB, Cassandra DB, SQL Server. Okay, Teradata. These are my major databases I have worked on, and also I have worked on Informatica Cloud. I have worked on Informatica Lifecycle Management. So multiple, and I have worked on Informatica BDM too, Big Data Management. Okay, so all these things I have worked in my 10 years career. Okay, so why I have started this training is to help the people to hands-on into Informatica Power Center, and also get the job on the year. Who are having job, that's fine, and who are freshers, I'll help them to get the job on Informatica Power Center. Who are already experienced working in some other tools, if they are interested to work on Informatica Power Center, I'm ready to help them too. Okay, so the main objective of my training is to get the hands-on into the Informatica, then to get the job on Informatica. Okay. So once we are finished with real-time project explanation, then we'll be having the document explanations. Then I'll help you to building a resume. Your resumes I will be build an Informatica. Then I'll give some interview tips, how to attend the interview, how the questions will be in the interview. Okay, how to face the interview. I'll help you all those things. Okay. The course duration will be 30 to 40 hours. Okay. So a daily 1 to 1.5 hour it will be based on the concept. Okay. If it is a basic concept, then if it is a basic concept, then it will be within 1 hour it will finish. Okay. If it is not, if it is a advanced concept, it may go to 1.5 hour also. Okay. So in this training, I'll be covering all these topics. Okay. What is ETL? What is Informatica? And what is repository manager? What is Informatica designer? What are the transformations in the Informatica? Okay. What are the basic transformations? What are the advanced transformations? Then what is workflow manager? Okay. Then what are the sessions and workflows in Informatica? What is workflow monitor? What are the reusable objects in Informatica? And then we have advanced concepts. Okay. These nowhere they will teach you. Okay. Because these are the main things we need in the real time. Okay. So versioning we will be using in real time. Shared objects or copying objects will be used in real time. Okay. We will be importing and exporting the workflows from dev environment to sit environment or test environment to prod environment. This is very important. While importing, while deploying the code from development to test to prod, deployment groups are very important. Then after creating a mapping, after creating a job, performance tuning also very important. What are the bottlenecks? Okay, those also important. Then parameter files. Okay, how to parameterize the database connections or files. Okay, these are all very important. These advanced concepts are very important. But to learn the advanced concepts, we need all these basic concepts. Okay, so I'll make you to learn all these basic concepts. Okay, it's not only just learning, it's an hands-on. Please note this point. It's a hands-on training. Okay, so I will assure that you will be having hands-on experience on Informatica once you complete this course. Okay, so this is about the course. Okay, so if you have any doubts on the course, could you please go ahead one by one, please?
Yeah, hi Raj. Actually, I have a question on it. As you have mentioned, you will complete all the basic part in this course. So, will it going to be like as ETL uses structured query language SQL? So, will you going to explain that as well?
Actually, the thing is, to learn Informatica, we require basic Oracle knowledge, basic SQL knowledge, like creating the tables, okay, inserting the data into tables, DDL, DML, okay, DDL create, drop, okay, these things, right? DML insert, update, delete, right? These basics we require to get into Informatica, to learn Informatica. I hope all you people having knowledge on Oracle, just basics of Oracle, okay, right? Creating the table, creating the view, or inserting the data into table, updating the data. These are the basic concept, basic Oracle you need to know before learning Informatica. Okay, and you require very basic Unix commands. Okay, because in real time, when you work in Informatica, always Informatica will be installed. 80% Informatica will be installed on Unix platform. Okay, if it is Unix platform also, then the look and feel will be same, but the files will be stored in Unix platform. Okay, very few, 20% of the companies will use Windows platform. Okay, the files will be stored in Windows platform. So you require basic knowledge of Unix commands, basic knowledge of Oracle, and then if you know those things, then it is very easy to learn Informatica. So hope this point answered you.
Yes, this answered my question, but
Mhm.
as I have told you previously that I do not have any experience on this stage.
Uh-huh.
So if I wanted to learn basics for Oracle and SQL and Unix command, will you be able to provide some documents,
Sure, I will be able to provide that.
or
I
can
will be
you
able to
like
provide that.
schedule one
Yes, who
class?
and all is not having knowledge on Oracle, let me know. I'll schedule a separate session for them. Okay. And we'll explain the basics of Unix, basics of Oracle.
Yes,
That will do.
because few of us have experience of technical support right now, so
No
we
issues, Deepthi.
want to.
Is it Deepthi, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
No issues, Deepthi. I'll be help you on Oracle and
sure.
yeah. But the thing is, what I'm saying is 100% effort should be from your side. Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever the Oracle, Unix or Informatica, you should practice well. Okay. You should get hands-on well. That's the thing.
So I hope in Informatica, like we do not need to write the complete code, right? It
Yes, I'll
it will be a design based
it's a
only.
design based. Okay. It's a design based tool, but you will be able to write Oracle queries.
Oh,
Okay. You need to write Oracle queries here. Okay. And in the tool, we need to write Oracle because Oracle is the base here. Okay.
yes.
What not only Oracle, any database, at least one database, Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, any
Right.
database is a base here. So if you
Okay.
know the Oracle, okay, or any one database basics, then that's fine
Okay.
for Informatica. Yeah, but you should at least learn Oracle. I'll tell the basics and I'll give some material to you. You learn yourself, okay, because it'll take again a good amount of time, okay. But basics I'll teach you, okay. So based on that, you take it forward and learn yourself. If any doubts, always ask me. I'm ready to help you.
Okay.
Yeah. So any other questions on the course or any other questions? So I hope all are good. Okay. So I'll just brief about Informatica, like how Informatica will be there. Okay. So we have Informatica Power Center. Okay. There are the tools. If I come to Informatica tools, there are some 5 to 6 tools are there. Okay. One is Informatica Power Center. One is Informatica Cloud, that is called IACS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. And one more is Informatica BDM, Informatica Big Data Management, Informatica IDQ, Informatica MDM. Okay, these are the different tools used for different purpose. Okay, in Informatica, but the main basic tool is Informatica Power Center. They have invented first Informatica Power Center, then a cloud. Okay, then BDM, MDM, IDQ, all this came. Okay, now in this training, we'll be having mainly Informatica Power Center experience. Okay, so if I talk about Informatica Power Center, there will be client and server tools. Okay, if you see my I have installed Informatica already in my laptop. Okay, if you see here Informatica, so Informatica 10.0, if you see here, there will be server and client. Okay, server and client should be installed in the same system. But when you actual work, if you go, server will be installed in one place and client will be installed in your laptops. When you work on Informatica in different companies, server will be installed in other machines, client will be installed in your machines. Okay, so as I said, okay, these are the client power center applications. Okay, whichever it is administrative base administration console is there, right? This is called server. Okay, first we will install the server, then we'll go for the client tools. Okay, server tools and client tools. Server tool is mainly administration console. Okay, and the client tools are the 4 client tools. Okay, Informatica Designer, Mapping Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager. Okay, if I see here, okay, Informatica 10.0, see here, you can see Power Center Designer, Power Center Repository Manager, Power Center Workflow Manager, Power Center Workflow Monitor. Okay, these are the different components in Informatica Power Center. Informatica Power Center is a tool. In the tool, we have Informatica Power Center, Informatica Mapping Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager. Okay. Just I'm clicking on Informatica. I'm going to Informatica 10.0 and I'm opening anything Power Center Repository Manager. So this is a repository manager. Okay. So at start it will be confusing only. Okay. But when you get familiar with this tool, it is very easy to get the tool. Okay. So don't be confused here. Okay. Always just whatever I teach, you practice those things. Okay. It will be very easy for you. Okay. So this is a Power Center repository manager, and we have one more. There are 4 tools already, right? One is repository manager, workflow monitor, and Power Center designer. Okay. So, and as I told, we have administrative console. Okay. If I show you the administrative console, just a second.
Can't hear you, Raj.
Hello, Raj, you there?
Hi, sorry, I'm on mute. So yeah, are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So as I'm saying, it is Informatica real time. Okay. So I'll be explaining all these things. Okay. I have few code reviews. I'll explain you. I have few mapping documents. I'll explain you what are those mapping documents, and I have the parameter files. How you exactly use the parameter files in Informatica, I'll explain. I have few projects which I have worked myself. I'll explain you those. Okay. I have run books I have which I have worked on. What are those I have? I will explain you. Okay. I have these are the workflows. I have many workflows. These are the basic workflows I have worked on. I'll explain you how these workflows, okay, are there. Okay, all those things I'll be explaining in this part of training. Okay. So as I told you, this is the mapping document. Okay. Like the target table, target fields will be there. source fields will be there, target table data types will be there, okay, and primary keys, foreign keys, all these things will be there, okay. Like this, everything I have, whichever I have worked on in my 10 years, okay. So whichever is required, whichever is easy to learn, I'll explain you all those things. And that is why I am saying it is not only just a training, it is a real time, it's a real time hands-on, okay. That's why I have mentioned here, okay. This is how different this training than others, okay. All those things I'll explain for sure, okay, and I'll make you to get hands-on, okay. So don't worry about that. So all these things, maybe if everything is goes fine, if you're ready to join, then we'll be starting the course from Monday or Wednesday, okay. If you need some time, let me know, okay. I'm planning to start on Saturday is too near, then we'll go for Monday or Wednesday, okay. You please ping me whichever who are interested for this training, and what are the feasible timings, okay. Based on the maximum people thing, okay, whoever give the maximum distance, right, okay, we'll see on that. Based on the maximum people, the time availability, we'll schedule, okay, accordingly the timings, daily basis, at least a week, 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours will take in a week, okay. Not only 4 to 6 hours, maybe more than that, based on the topics, okay. We'll see accordingly, okay. So can you ask me if you have any questions, please?
Yeah, let's say if course starts on Monday, how long it will go?
As I told, 30 to 40 hours, okay. If you see here, 30 to 40 hours, I have mentioned here, okay. If you are see the people who are having already having experience are there here, who don't have any experience, so we need to see all the people, and we need to go right. So we'll be slow only at initial stages, okay. Once they get hands on, then we'll go fast. At initial stages, it will be slow only. Any other questions, please?
Raj, as we don't have any experience on it, will we be able to cover all the things in Informatica?
Yes, yeah. See, the
Is it
thing is,
suitable for us, or like
for
it?
everybody, there should be a beginning, right? So don't worry about that, okay. Whoever don't know at all this Oracle and all, I'll take extra hours to them, okay. So don't worry about that.
Raj, Nataraj,
Yes,
Nataraj, Rajshekhar here.
okay.
Yes, even I am also, I don't have any experience in Oracle applications, so whatever you said. So even I am also
Yes,
new
Rajshekhar, don't worry.
new
Yes,
this project Informatica. So if I want to learn this project, and so basically we have to learn the Oracle
Oracle queries,
applications, right?
Oracle queries. That's it.
Okay,
It's
okay,
SQL queries.
okay,
Yeah.
okay,
So I'll help you that. Don't worry.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
So completely, I'm new to this project, so that's
No
why.
issues. No issues, Rajshekhar. Okay, I'll make you get a hands on. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Hi Raj, Abhinav here.
Yes, Abhinav. Yeah.
So for the laptop requirements, I think I don't know how much part I missed of the initial session today. Sorry, I joined just now, saw the message and everything. So just like joined 15 minutes late. But what part I missed in the beginning of the session?
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I have this meeting recorded. Okay. I'll share the recording. Whoever want, please ping me in WhatsApp. Okay. I know you have my number. Okay. Ping me in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I'll send the recording through mail or WhatsApp, whatever, whichever feasible. I have recorded this training. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Can you share
Regarding the
this document as well?
Sorry, come again.
Can you share this document as well?
Yeah, I'll share everything. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Whichever daily I will explain, right? Okay, I'll share all the documents. Whichever I will show in the part of training, at the end of the day, okay, I will share those documents.
Okay.
Yeah.
regarding the installation, shall we do ours?
I will provide a video. Okay, I'll provide a video. You have to go through the video. It will be very interactive video. You can easily able to install. Okay, where you need to download. Okay, where you need to unzip. Okay, and how you need to install. I provide a video. If you have any doubts while installing, I'll help you that also.
Okay.
Hi Raj, this is Sonal. Can you
Yeah.
provide Oracle and Unix documents before we start Informatica so that we can get hands-on on Oracle part?
Yes, please. Sure. Yes. I will.
Yeah,
I'll
thank
do
you.
it. Yeah. Any others, please? Could you please speak louder? Your voice is very low.
Installation will be directly doing in the system, or we need to install any virtual machine?
Not require any virtual machine. You can directly install in your laptops or desktops. Not require any.
I think currently we are using with the 10.4, right?
10.4, yes, but 10.2, I thought it's easy to install. 10.4 also we can install, no problem. So 10.4 is little advanced, but 10 actually, if I explain you 9 also, that's no, there is not major change. Okay, you will find. Okay, all the look and feel will be same only, whether it is 9, 8 or 10. Okay, but 8 to 10, there is lots of transformation happen. 9 to 10, there is nothing much. Okay, so that I can say 10.2 is more than enough for your work or anything. 90% of the companies are using 10.2 only. Few companies are using 9 only still.
Okay.
Any other questions, please? Yeah.
Here in New York, there was Informatica World Summit. I think a couple of years ago, or sometime. I don't remember exactly, but they have a huge office here, and it's really heartwarming to see so many people turned up for this event today. It's quite popular here on the East Coast also. Many companies have Informatica in use.
Okay.
It will be really great to, learn this now.
Yeah. Please forward your friends. Okay. If they are interested, let me know. Okay. Then
Sure.
we'll go ahead. Okay. You let me know as soon as possible who are all interested. Please WhatsApp me so that we'll decide the timing and we'll decide the date. And I'll send a schedule first. Okay. After everything goes fine, I'll schedule first. Okay. And I'll schedule the schedule also, like which day, which part we will be explaining. All those things we'll be sending to you.
So it's going to be weekdays only.
Yes, based on the majority people, we'll see how the people will react. Okay, whether they are interested in weekdays or weekends, we'll see. It's very initial stage to get a confirmation on that. Let's wait for that.
Okay.
Any other questions, please?
So 8 GB RAM i3 is sufficient, or
Yeah,
still 9
yes, 4 GB RAM also sufficient. Okay, mine is 8 GB, but 8 GB, if it is 8 GB, it will be good. Okay, 4 GB also fine, no issues at all. 4 to 6
i3
GB.
also sufficient, right?
Sorry?
i3 processor.
Yes, processor, any processor is fine. i3, i5, i7, anything is fine. No issues on that. Because we are not installing complete Oracle here. That is why I'm installing Express Edition. That will be a light edition. Whichever we can do in the complete edition, we can do in the Express Edition also, so that your system will not get slow. Yeah, that is the thing.
Yeah, one quick question, Raj. Regarding the file formats that we'll be handling here, I have no idea. Do we handle like complex JSONs and
No. Right now, we handle only the flat files, TXT files or XML, sorry, CSV files. Okay. CSV files or TXT files we'll use. Okay. As we know, advanced, we can go for XML or JSON. JSON is not required as of now. XML is required. Maybe at the advanced concepts, I can tell you about XML formats. Any other questions, please? So how you people are almost 35 minutes is over. So how you people, so you have confidence that you can learn and get hands-on by learning here? Hello? You can share your feedback here, no issues. Whether it is positive, negative, nothing will happen.
It's too early, right? How
Yeah.
can we?
No. As I told you, right? What are all we need to explain? I'll explain. Okay, those things will be there for sure. Okay, and as I told you, I'll give the hands-on to you. So we'll see. Okay, you just let me know. Let us know. Let me know who and all interested, and when is your the batch. I'm trying to start the batch on Monday or Wednesday. You let me know what are the timings you need. Okay, based on the data collected by all the candidates who are on the majority side, I'll go and I will let you know. I'll inform you. So any other questions?
No. Who else is here? Everybody's from India right now, joined on this.
I think a couple of 2-3 people are from US. One is you, and others also I have. They have requested me yesterday to share the link. So I'm not sure. They should tell.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm Bhavani. I'm from US.
Okay. Okay. Any questions, please? If you don't have any questions, then we'll wrap up this call. So you please ping me in WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. Note it down, and ping me on WhatsApp so that we'll take forward from there. So shall we wind up the call then?
Raja, I have last question.
Yeah.
What is the memory requirement in the laptop for Informatica installation?
It's like below 10 GB.
Below 10 GB. Okay.
Yeah, if you have 500 GB, normally it will get nowadays 500 GB or 1 TB storage you will get in laptop, right? So anything is fine. 250 GB, 500 GB laptop or 1 TB laptop, anything is fine.
Okay. All right.
Just 4 GB to 8 GB RAM and i3 processor, then 10 to 15 GB storage. That's fine.
Okay. And there is no any special requirement for the Windows, like Windows 8 and above will work for it.
8, 9, 10, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Raj, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Any introduction about Azure or AWS cloud in this course, part of this course?
Not. It is very early actually. I can give an idea about this once the course completed. Okay.
Because now new projects are moving to cloud, right? So
you people are hearing about that. See, as a real time, I'm working from 10 years. You are hearing that moving to cloud, but still 80% of the companies are using Informatica Power Center only. Okay. It is not so easy to move to the cloud. Okay. It will take some time. It will take at least 5 years. Okay. Until 5 to at least I can say Informatica Power Center, there are many cloud technologies came up. Okay. But still people are using Informatica Power Center. That is a powerful tool.
Actually, my question is not Informatica Power Center, like databases, like target systems.
Target systems also. Yes.
Like Redshift and Azure Data Factory, right?
That is what I'm saying. Databases also, okay. 80% of the people are using Oracle Teradata, okay, and flat files only, okay. When they go to cloud, okay, then they are using Azure, or they are using Redshift, or they are using Salesforce, or they are using any other cloud tools, okay. As they use Informatica Power Center, they use basic only, Teradata or Oracle. Okay. So see, almost from 10 years I am working. Okay, I worked in Informatica Cloud also. I worked in Informatica Power Center also. So Power Center is there forever. Okay, I can say, because there are many projects built already on Power Center. The people are required to handle the Power Center. Okay, so don't worry about like the tool. Okay, it's a powerful tool in ETL. There are so many tools came and went already. Data stage, it came very fast and it went like that only. Okay, but Informatica from beginning to till now, there is no this one. Okay, there is no harm to Informatica. People will use Informatica, I can say, Power Center. So later part, if you get a chance, learn Informatica Cloud. That will be good. Okay, so that you will, if you learn Informatica Power Center, it's very easy to learn Informatica Cloud. The basics all you will cover in Power Center. Then it's very easy to cover cloud. That I can say. There you can use Salesforce, you can use Azure, there you can use AWS, you can use Redshift, everything you can use there. Any other questions, please?
No.
Any others, please? So if you don't have any questions, then I'll wrap up this call. Okay. So you please WhatsApp me as soon as possible. So I will look forward you to get into this real-time training. Okay. I will get hands-on very soon. Okay. Okay, guys, then thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.